guys, welcome back again to the show. It's your boy Ten. And sorry guys, it's been so long na hindi ako nakapag-upload. It's been 8 days kasi 9 or 8 days. Kasi sa araw na yun because fiesta. Then nagpahinga ako ng ilan araw na din kasi grabe yung pagod ko dun. And so malapit na yung fiesta sa kabilang barangay. So pupunta na dun. But I miss so many mga comebacks ngayon. So I'm gonna upload na. So we're gonna react Sheesh Baby Monster. So yung Sheesh na yan is actually a Gen Z slang term. And kinda natatawa lang din ako kasi the title itself is Sheesh. Okay. It's kinda different na different title na makita natin. So, we get it. So, let's go.
Baby, I'm a monster. I see you and slower and lower and trouble. 어차피 손바닥 위에서 못 나가. You know that. 넌 알던 순간 피어나. All eyes on me. 불을 질러. Do or die. All my life. Yeah, you ain't seen nothing yet. Got them all going. Yeah, baby, one more. Got them all going. Yeah, hold on. 야, 들이보라니 달팽이관에. 이건 네 피해줄 트루보. 음악에 맞춰 그냥 춤춰. 해변이 핫바 뿜뿜 파우. 분위기 타올라 네 눈은 돌아. 쨍하네 적전에 충격일 거야. From the screen 홈런을 찾고 내 다음은 위. 어중이 도중이 중간하니. 날 보고 다쳤던 이 뜻은 You know what it is, I've been running this. Pull up in the ghost, pick up, boo-hoo. Vroom, vroom, 내 심장이 빡치게 pop, pop, pop. Pedal to the metal, click, clack, click, put 'em up to the sky, high, high, high. 피어나, all eyes on me. 불을 질러라. Do or die, all my life. You ain't seen nothing yet. Got them all going. Yeah, the anyway. Yeah, got them all going. 이제 내 차례가 천천히 불태워 네가 잠든 사이. Time's up. 올라가 더 꼭대기로 하늘 위로 Fly away. 온 세상을 뒤집어
That's a good one. Hey. Like the beat.
Jump and let it go. Watch out, we on a roll. Bum, bump it up then. Jump and let it go. Watch out, we on a roll. Bum, bump it up then.
Ay, sayang. Ends there. The beat's actually good. Kung nabitin ako sa beat na yun, but actually the beat's actually awesome. So guys, masabi ko lang, actually, Baby Monster Sheesh, naano na ako kasi sa chorus, Sheesh, like ganun. Kaya, talaga, medyo natatawa lang ako, but the song itself, masabi ko lang, it's not that bad. Yung title lang talaga. The title lang ng song is kinda lang talaga. Di ko alam, di ko masabi kung it's a bad thing kasi natatawa lang talaga ako sa Sheesh na title and the song Sheesh, yung ganyan. And it's not that bad. It's not that bad. It's just like lang talaga na ano lang yung humor ko, okay? Because of my humor is kind of broken. That's why. So I'm not bashing the Baby Monster. Actually, the song is good. In terms of the title, they have this title. So di ako magreklamo, okay? Hindi ako nagmamagaling na sabi na bakit itong title na ginamit nila. So I would not be like mas sabi ko na dapat ibang title, but ito pinili nila. So wala akong reklamo, okay? Wala akong reklamo. But we can still gonna react this time with subtitles. So, yeah, so let's go.
Baby, I'm a monster.
Okay.
I see you and slower, you know you're in trouble. 어차피 손바닥 위에서 뻔하게 you know that. 넌 날듯 순간 피어나 all eyes on me 불을 질러라. All my life, yeah, you ain't seen nothing yet. Got them all going. Yeah, be everywhere I'm on. Yeah, got them all going. Yeah, hold on. Yeah, 드리블하니 다.
Ito, ano lang talaga. Man, sheesh, like that. And kasi I've been using this term since last year. I think it's 2022. 2022, yung nag-uso yung shish na yun yata. Okay, I think 2022 yung nag-uso yung shish. There's a term of shish. So yun yung ginagamit na ginagamit ko minsan. Ngayon I can't imagine there's a song. Meron ng kanta na may naggumawa ng kanta. So yeah, it's kaya nalito lang talaga. Nalito lang ako na mayroong gumawa kanta sa word na to. Maybe next time we're gonna have Riz. Okay, so
yeah, got them all going. Yeah, hold on. Yeah, 드리블하니 달팽이관에 이건 네 귀에줄 슈퍼 음악에 맞춰 그냥 춤춰 히비리 핫바 뿜뿜 분위기 타올라 네 눈은 돌아.
The rap line is actually insane. 3 of the rappers, they really killed this.
땡하네 적절해 충격일 거야. From the screen 홈런은 찾고 내 다음은 위 어중이 도중이 중간하니.
These two actually killing it.
날 보고 낮췄던 이 뜻은 You know what it is, I've been running this, pull up in the ghost, pick up, boo.
Oh my God, he's beautiful. He's so
심장이 빡치게 pop, 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 pedal to the metal. Click, clack, click, put 'em up to the sky, high, high.
Okay, the rap match is actually good. Hey, man, this three delivered. They slayed this one.
All eyes on me, 불을 질러라. All my life, yeah, you ain't seen nothing yet. Got them all going. Yeah,
B-A-B-O-M-N, Baby Mon.
yeah,
This
yeah, got them all going.
So if someone listen to this is not a casual listener of K-pop, man, di ko alam kung ano masasabi nila dito sa kanta nilang Baby Monster.
이제 내 차례니까 천천히 보세요 네가 잠든 사이 Time's up 올라가 더 꼭대기로 하늘 위로 Fly away 온 세상을 뒤집어 let's ride Baby I'm a monster
This actually good. Little bit. I would not compare sa beat na to sa ibang group. Sabi ko lang, okay? Okay, masabi ko lang, there's a group like this. Okay, there's a group like this na kaparehas. So I would not, uh, hindi ko masabi ko anong group yon, but they have a similar beat. So yun lang, masabi ko lang is, if they kept this beat, yung una pa lang, it's actually good, no? Sana may beat sila ganitong yan. It's like, di ko alam ako klaseng beats, kaya unique. Okay. So, Shish. Okay, Shish. Shish, actually, the song, yeah, wala akong masabing pangit talaga. Actually, the song itself is actually amazing. Yung ano lang talaga, the title of the song, I'm not a basher of Baby Monster. You know, I've been, waiting for them to debut. And the song itself is not that bad. Yung unang kinig ko lang is kind of weird. Kasi yung sheesh, yung like that. But yung kung pinapinggan mo like paulit-ulit, it's actually good. No, nakaka-LSS din siya. And it's quite addictive. I'm not saying it's quite impactful like it's like quite impactful sa sorry guys, hindi siya quite impactful like sa Bar Up. I think Butter Up is actually a good song. Masabi ko na Bar Up, yung mas piliin ko pa yung Butter Up. You know, Butter Up at ito yung Shish has a similar yung ano nila eh. Kasi they using it two different type of songs. Kasi nakita niyo Butter Up, there's yung pinakahuli nila, the beat changed. So it changed. So it does a Shish, the beat changed also. So yun yung concept nila. So nagbago-bago. This kind of concept is not new. So yeah, it's like NMIX and Aespa, yung dating Aespa, and NMIX. They changed it up. So they really like to change it up. And actually, I'm not mad of it. I'm a big fan of that. You know, I wish they kept the last beat na yon, umpisa pa lang, it's actually good. Actually, I would not say na it's very similar sa Blackpink na yung sound, yung sa huli, but it's very similar lang talaga. I will not compare the two groups kasi two groups were actually different. All 7 of them really slayed. Especially the rap line here. The rap line is actually quite amazing. Yung tatlo sila did yung rap na sobrang bilis, man. So I can't catch up the subtitles yung pagbasa. I can't catch up. Man, it's actually amazing. And I don't know anything of this, all about this Baby Monster or the name of them. Kasi I'm not standing, hindi pa ako nag-stand. You know, I'm not standing yet. I didn't stand the Baby Monsters yet. But actually, I'm quite a listener of them. It's actually amazing. Nasabi ko lang, Shish, yung ano lang talaga Shish is the title. It's really Gen Z slang. Gen Z slang talaga yung word. And yeah, maybe next time we got Riz, yung word na Riz, like that. Maybe Baby Monster. I look at you, Baby Monster. Maybe you can do some title Riz. Maybe in the future. I'm not a hater, but actually this song is actually good. I will give it an 8 out of 10. It's not that impactful as Bar Up, but this song is actually amazing. So guys, if you like this video, please like, comment, share, don't forget to subscribe for more videos. And see ya. And hello guys, please stream Baby Monsters. And I think they had in 200 million views. So man, wow. And 5th gen groups are actually amazing. So, guys,